So for the past couple of days, we've been thinking we would see some severe weather tomorrow in our coverage area, but that's not the case anymore, as of the models that have come in this morning. Hello, and welcome to PRW's Severe Weather Screencast, recorded on June 22nd, 2016. Here's a look at Futurecast for tomorrow, 8 a.m., low pressure in eastern Ohio, with a warm front stretching across southern Pennsylvania and through the center of our coverage area. This is going to allow warm, moist air to flow in from the south in the southern parts of our coverage area. The severe risk tomorrow, 8 a.m., is going to be further off to the west, though, with northern West Virginia, extreme southeastern Ohio, southwestern Pennsylvania, and western Maryland under the threat for severe weather. By 11 a.m. tomorrow, the low pressure has moved over into western Maryland, with a severe risk in the extreme southern parts of our coverage area, just south of Baltimore, south of Dover, into the Delmarva Peninsula. Showers in the Philadelphia area with scattered showers off to the northwest. We also have another severe risk area in West Virginia because we're going to see a line of thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon redevelop along that cold front back to the west. That really shouldn't affect our coverage area, though. And by 2 p.m. tomorrow, low pressure is about to move off the coast, Cape May, New Jersey. Some scattered showers left to the north of the low pressure in Reading, Harrisburg, Philadelphia, Trenton, and the rest of the rain associated with the cold front has moved south. Here's a look at the NAM 4KM SB Cape. We have our low pressure along with our cold front on the map here. And SB Cape is surface-based cape, so this is just how much energy is there in the atmosphere. Where you see the purples, that's getting up around 4,000 joules per kilogram, which is pretty high for this time of year especially. So we're going to have warm, unstable air south of these fronts, with cool, stable air behind the cold front. This is why we're going to have so much cape in Kentucky, southern Virginia, southern West Virginia, northern Tennessee, and northern North Carolina. Because we have this warm, unstable air coming in, that's why we're seeing the cape, and that's why we're seeing the air becoming very unstable. And this is ultimately why we're going to see that line of storms redevelop along cold front tomorrow afternoon. But since the low pressure is tracking right through the center of our area, that means the severe weather is going to be centered to the south of that low pressure, which means the severe weather isn't really going to be in our coverage area. So overall severe weather threat very low across the center and northern parts of our coverage area. Wilmington, Lancaster, York, low chance. And you can see right between that low and moderate chance is right where the warm front's going to cut through later tomorrow morning, also around 12 p.m. tomorrow. Milford, Annapolis, Rockville, just on the edge of Baltimore, going to see a moderate risk, and further to the south in that very small red area on our map is where the highest risk for severe weather is going to be tomorrow. And that's all we have for you today. Thanks for tuning in, and if you ever need any weather information, head on over to prww-weather.com. Thanks for watching.